Hello everyone. Welcome to Certification Guide. In this video we will discuss ServiceNow Certified System Administrator, CSA, Questions and Answers Part 2. Let's start. 1. ServiceNow contains a resource which provides the following: a standard and shared set of service-related definitions across ServiceNow products and platform that will enable and support true service-level reporting. A CMDB framework across our products and platform that will enable and support multiple configuration strategies. What resource do these statements describe? A. Common Services Data Model, CSDM. B. Information Technology Service, ITSM. C. Configuration Management Database, CMDB. D. Information Technology Infrastructure Library, ITIL. Answer: A. Next question. 2. Which plugin allows users to install multiple applications, application customizations, or plugins at once? A. Application Integration and Plugin Delivery, AIPD, Spoke Batch Install. B. Continuous Integration and Continuous Delivery, CICD, Spoke Batch Install. C. Multiple Integration and Process Delivery, MIPD, Spoke Batch Install. D. Quick Integration and Multiple Delivery, QIMD, Spoke Batch Install. Answer: B. Next question. 3. What is specified in an access control rule? A. Groups, conditional expressions, and workflows. B. Table schema, CRUD, and user authentication. C. Object and operation being secured, permissions required to access the object. D. Security_admin. Answer: C. Next question. 4. Which core table in the ServiceNow platform provides a series of standard fields used on each of the tables that extend it, such as the incident and problem tables? A. Task. B. Assignment. C. Service. D. Workflow. Answer: A. Next question. 5. Your customer would like to create a new template to notify users who are affected by network outages at their site. Which would you use to create a new notification? A. System notification email notifications. B. Administration notification overview. C. System properties email settings. D. User preferences email notifications. E. Click gear notifications new. Answer: A. Next question. 6. What field contains a record's 32-character unique identifier? A. SN_rec_ID. B. rec_ID. C. UID. D. SYS_ID. E. SN_GU_ID. F. SN_SYS_ID. G. ID. Answer: D. Next question. 7. Which module would you use to create a new automation of business logic such as approvals, tasks, and notifications? A. Process Automation Flow Designer. B. Process Automation Flow Administration. C. Process Automation Workflow Editor. D. Process Automation Process Flow. E. Process Automation Active Flows. Answer: A. 8. What would not appear in the application navigator if service is typed into the filter field? A. Configuration business services. B. Self-service knowledge. C. Service portal widgets. D. Incident assigned to me. Answer, D. Before going to next question, please subscribe the channel. Next question. 9. Which section of the ServiceNow UI allows you to perform a global search? A. Application Navigator. B. Banner frame. C. List pane. D. Content frame. Answer, B. Next question. 10. What are 3 security modules often used by the system administrator? Choose 3. A. System Properties Security. B. Utilities Migrate Security. C. System Security Security. D. Self-Service My Access. E. System Security Access Control, ACL. F. Password Management Security Questions. G. System Security High Security Settings. Answer, A, E and G. Next question. 11 new records, new groups, and modified configuration items. Sys, what do they have in common? A. They are included in an update set. B. They are not captured in an update set. C. They are customizations. D. They do not have anything in common. Answer, A. Next question. 12. In addition to the admin role, which one of the following roles allows a user to add or remove fields from a list? A. Personalize.control. B. Personal_list. C. UI_page_admin. D. UI_action_admin. Answer, A. Next question. 13. Which one of the following statements is true? A. When incident form is saved, all the work notes field text is recorded to the activity log field. B. When an incident form is saved, the work notes field text is overwritten each time work is logged against the incident. C. When an incident form is saved, the impact field is calculated by adding the prion and urgency values. D. When an incident form is saved, the additional comments field text is cleared and recorded to the work notes section. Answer, D. Next question. 14. On a form header, what is the 3-bar icon called? A. Pancake icon. B. Additional actions or context menu. C. Hamburger icon. D. Cake icon. Answer, C. Next question. 15. From a form, what would you click to add additional fields to the form? Choose 2. A. Context menu form layout. B. Context menu configure form layout. C. Context menu configure form design. D. Right-click on header add field. E. Context menu form designer. D. Right-click on header configure UX dashboard. Answer, B and D. Next question. 16. How is a group defined in ServiceNow? A group is one record stored in the group type sys_user_group_type table. B. A group is one record stored in the group sys_user_group table. C. A group defines a set of users that share the same location. D. A group defines a set of users that share the same job title. Answer, B. Next question. 17. What are different types of data sources which may be imported into ServiceNow? Choose 4. A. Local sources, i.e. XML, CSV, Excel. B. Implementation spoke. C. Data hub. D. JDBC connection. E. Network server. F. LDAP connection. Answer: A, C, D and F. Next question. 18. On a business rule, when setting determines at what point the rule executes, what are the options for specifying that timing? A. Before, after, async, display. B. Prior to, synchronous, on update. C. Insert, update, delete, query. D. Before, synchronous, schedule job, view. Answer: A. Next question. 19. What do you call any component that needs to be managed in order to deliver services? A. CSDM items. B. CMDB. C. Configuration item. D. Service offerings. E. Asset. Answer: C. Next question. 20. What is a quick way to create a report from a list view? A. Click on Filter breadcrumb, drag and drop on the report, create new module. B. Click Funnel, define filter conditions, click Create Report. C. Click Context menu, select Create Report. D. Apply Filter, right-click on column header, select Bar Chart. E. Apply Filter, right-click on column header, select Create Report. Answer: B. In the I button, you will get the link of ServiceNow Certified System Administrator, CSA, Questions and Answers Part 1. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe our channel.